The horrific footage, far too graphic to publish in its entirety, surfaced. It was the aftermath of a deadly drone strike in Ethiopia's northwestern Amhara region by Abiy Ahmed regime. On the morning of October 14, 2024, the Ethiopian government carried out drone and helicopter airstrikes near Bahir Dar, targeting civilians in the southern Achefar and northern Mecha areas of the Amhara region. Starting at approximately 8:30 a.m., the attacks left significant damage to civilian establishments, marking a continuation of the escalating violence in the region. Eyewitnesses report that repeated drone attacks have led to multiple deaths, with critical damage to schools, administrative offices, health clinics, and homes. This follows a pattern of increasing drone usage by Ethiopian government forces, which has raised alarm over civilian casualties. In a previous report by East African Review, a drone strike in North Shewa Zone on May 12, 2024, killed 4 civilians, including teachers, and injured 5 others at Gulo Elementary School. That attack occurred during a Parents-Teachers Association (PTA) meeting, leaving the community in mourning. A 30-year-old farmer, one of the victims, was struck while collecting water near the school. The ongoing use of drones has led to several fatalities in the Amhara region. On September 26th, a drone attack on a high school in Mikael Debir, Libo Kemkem Woreda, resulted in 6 teachers' deaths and left 4 others critically injured. The attack also caused severe damage to classrooms, further disrupting education in the conflict-affected region. Between September and October, drone and airstrike use was recorded in 5 woredas across 4 zonal administrations in the Amhara region, including Dega Damot, Jabi Tehnan, Ibnat, Istembiya, and Kwara. The strikes have resulted in civilian casualties, destroyed infrastructure, and heightened fears among communities in northwestern Amhara. As the conflict intensifies, the humanitarian toll continues to rise, with many civilians caught in the crossfire. International observers have called for an immediate halt to airstrikes targeting non-combatants and for dialogue to resolve the crisis.